In this tutorial, we were going to talk about name list and extra information on your name list. It have be a request from our customer that you could have the possibility to set in extra information. And I'm going to show you now how you set up the system so you can add information on this list. We're going to start in hotel setup. We are starting by going into basic. We are going to be looking up fan number 33, name list. And when we open that, there is something we have to check in the left side. Name list reservation. We have to be sure it's set to create per person or room. And that have to be marked. And the same goes down here if you have a zero product. That also have to be marked. When we have checked that, we can go to the right side and see what kind of extra information do we want to put on the name list. And there is different information possibilities. And I choose to check cell phone and I check email because that's the information I want as extra on my name list. We now finished in hotel setup and we can go down here and say save and close. Thing we have to ensure is that the product is set up to be per person, and we do that in management. We are going in and find our products, and we find the product we want to use, and we go in and open that. In the product, you find this fan called condition, and you open that. And down here, you can see name list. It's set per room, and it have to be per person. You change it by checking the mark here, and now it's set per person, and I'm finished, and I can say save and close. Before we continue, then I have to remind you to close all your booking modules. So when you open the booking modules again, they will apply to the new rules set up in hotel setup and in management. I've now started making a new group reservation and I've gone into my name list setup. I need to fill in the last name here and I have the possibility to put in extra information. Doing that, I will press plus and tab and there's a new window open. Here I can see the possibility to put in the information and I put in first the surname, then the first name, and I can put in his telephone number and I can put in his email address. Now I have completed it and I press OK and the information have been saved. Now I know on the first day when I received it, I can see I have made a mistake in this booking up here. There's a spelling mistake and I also missing some information. Again, I can press plus and then I can press tab and this new window is open. I can correct his name and I can put in his cell phone number and I can put in his email address like that. And now I have completed my name list for the group, including the extra information. I can say save and close and wait for the arrival of the customer. Should you have any question, don't hesitate to contact your local support office in the opening hours. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.